scattered like shells and lost to the sea. Like the river, the days move rapidly. I have all these memories I don't know what for. I have them and I can't help it. Some overflow and spill out like waves. Some I will harbor for all of my days. I burn like oil, you bloom like a flower.
For my sons, Thomas, who's already at peace, and Jackson, may he never know this life of chaos.
Did Rosen track down any real estate for the rebuild?
10 acres for sale, up north of 84. You know, stretch of industry, paint factories, container yards.
Kick his ass!
Trucking and supplies will look like regular business.
What'd happen if we didn't rebuild?
What do you mean?
Take the land profit, put it in something else. Hey, I'm just thinking about what's best long term. We got heat with the Mayans, ATF crawling up our ass. Might be time to look at other ways to earn.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of shit up in the air right now. We'll figure out what the next move is.
But your father and I, we worked hard to create this business. We served time. We lost brothers. We spilled a lot of blood. And you're gonna need this now more than ever. Sick kid. It's an expensive burden.
You and Dad hooked up. Ever talk to you about his vision? About what he wanted from the club?
His vision was, you know, what it is. A brotherhood. Family.
Running guns? You want that?
Never talked about that. Why?
Found a box of his old shit in the storage unit. There's like pictures and journals. And things I never knew about him.
What kind of things?
It seemed like his original idea for the MC was something simpler. You know, social rebellion. He called it a Harley commune. It wasn't outlaw, it was real hippie shit.
We had a lot of bright ideas back then. We were kids. Father became a man. Men take care of business.
Yeah, we do.
Found a box of John's stuff in storage. Was asking me about his original vision for the club. Did he want to get into running guns?
Tonight he said that maybe we shouldn't rebuild the factory.
Shit. He's getting chewed up by that guilt. Remorse is a dangerous thing. Look what Tommy's death did to John. Changed him. Made him soft. You've got to nail Jax down. Whatever it takes. I don't want the ghost of John Teller poisoning him, ruining everything we've built.
Nothing is gonna get ruined, okay?
Blowing up shit's one thing. We off these guys could trigger something runs out of control.
What's the cost of your mistake? You got a problem making it right?
You tell your dirtbag buddies they steal from Sam Crow, they get some of this.
He's all yours.
Por favor, jefe, tengo hijos, tengo una familia, tengo una hija, tengo una madre.
Finish it.
It's finished.
Oh, Mary, mother of Christ!